Sorry, we have to start with.
Question number 6.
Yes, question number 6. Have you all understood what is median? Median कैसे
Yes,
find?
sir.
Okay, yes, we have done till question number 5. Correct. Sir, can we do some? Bandrina, beta. How are you?
सर बहुत टाइम से एक्टिविटी नहीं हुई है.
सिलेबस खत्म हो जाए फिर हम बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करेंगे. ओके. We are in a hurry to finish the syllabus. A lot of chapters are left. And
Sir, how many chapters are coming in the finals?
let me tell you how many chapters are remaining. Mensuration is remaining, which will take 1 month.
Yes, sir.
Mensuration is a very big chapter. It will take 1 month. And congruency.
Sir, please.
What?
Sir, please
Excuse me,
pronounce the
sir.
chapter one more time.
Excuse me, sir.
Anji?
Sir, the chapters that we are doing, that all will come.
Yes, all the chapters will come in half.
Sir, we have done 2 chapters then.
No, we have done a lot of chapters, but still a lot of chapters are remaining.
Sir, the chapters which were done in UTs will come in the finals.
Yes, they will also come in finals. Linear equations. Linear equation was there in UT also, and it will come in finals also. Linear
Oh,
equations,
no.
unitary method, and properties of triangles. Properties of triangles we have done. We have done simple interest. We have done percentage.
Sir, it was easy.
5 chapters we have done, and this is the 6th one going on. So these 6 are coming, and what else is coming? And let me tell you, mensuration will be coming. It will take 1 month, and congruency of triangles will be there.
Mensuration will take total 4 weeks.
Mensuration will take nearly 25 to 30 days. 25 to 30 days. It will take near 25 days. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir,
At least-
after this,
We will try to finish mensuration within
Sir, in which month we have our final exams?
in the month of March.
Huh? Ma'am, sir, the March is the ending session.
So
So,
March
sir, we have our exams on January or February.
No.
We have-
In March, the exams will get over and the session will get over.
the new session will start in the month of April or in the very end of March. Okay. So your exams will be conducted nearly on maybe after 25th of Feb or after 1st of March.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you were in which school before this, Mandina?
Sir, what
Sir.
are you saying?
I'm asking that you were in which school before joining SR?
Chickers International School.
Chicker International, you had.
Sir, we have our final exams in 5 to 6 February. Our exams were started.
Okay. So it is not like this here in SR. Hanji.
Sir, my last school, I was in APS, and there I usually this summer is no event because sorry.
Okay. So congruency of triangles is left. It will take 2 weeks. Congruency of triangles. And
Sir, what sir, can you repeat again? What?
congruency of triangles. Congruence.
Oh.
chapter 16.
It will take 2 weeks. nearly 10 days at least 10 days. मतलब. Chapter number
Sir, I have studied it.
16.
SS and ASS. Oh,
There is
ASA.
Then there is chapter number 17, construction. This will also take at least 1 week. And what else is left? Mensuration, congruence, construction, simple interest कर लिया, percentage कर लिया, unitary method.
Ratio proportion.
Ratio and proportion will also take at least 1 week.
Profit and loss. Profit and loss.
So we need at least 2 months. At least 2 months to finish the syllabus. अब बताइए, December is about to end. And how are we going to get?
जनवरी में सारा सिलेबस खत्म और फरवरी पूरा रिवीजन मंथ.
जैन में कैसे हो जाएगा सिलेबस खत्म? जैन तो बस 1
आपने
मंथ.
तो खुद 2 महीने बोले.
Mensuration will take the January.
यस सर. हाँ,
So
फरवरी भी
excuse me, sir.
निकल जाएगा.
Yes.
फिर मार्च
Excuse me,
का
sir.
first part.
Yes.
So sir, you have after till the end, if our syllabus is not complete, you will reduce the syllabus.
Let's see. नहीं, ऐसा होगा नहीं वैसे. I have given the final score.
हाँ. गोली लग गई.
गोली लग
नो.
गई. गोली लग गई.
अरे नो. नो.
Okay. Let's. Okay, question number 6. The marks of 15 students out of 50 in an exam are this. Find the median. Do it on your own. Question number 6, all of you. 6 and 7. 7th you can do in homework. Do the 6th one right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Manji.
Sir, the median marks are 19.
Median marks are 19. Okay. Check your answer from the book.
Excuse me, sir.
Manji. Manji, बताइए.
Sir, my answer is coming 23.
Okay.
Sir, mine answer is 23.
Okay. Check your answers from the book. Hanji, done all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is your final answer, all of you?
Sir, 23.
23. So first what are the steps? First you arrange the given observations in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order में arrange के, then you count the number of observations. How many observations are there?
15.
15 are there. So that means there will be only one observation exactly in between. And 15 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 8. That means you have to go to the 8th observation to find the median. 8th observation यहाँ पर कौन सा आ रहा है? If you arrange in ascending order, the 8th observation will be 23. Am I right?
23.
Sir, no, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
8th one is 19.
The 8th one is 23. There is some mistake that you have done. Check it. You may have missed any observation. Others, how many observations are there? Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 16 observations. Am I right? Everyone. Are there 16 observations or 15 observations? Oh, sorry, 15 are there. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4,
15.
Sir,
5,
15.
6, 7,
Sir,
8,
they are 15.
11, 12, 13, 14.
Sir, there are 15.
Yes, there are 15 observations, and 15 का मतलब ये हुआ the 8th observation will be your answer. 8th observation will be 23. Marlena, check your answer. There is some mistake. Okay. मिल गई mistake नहीं मिली Marlena?
Yes, sir.
मिल गई? Okay, very good. Okay, now question number 8 we will do. Question 18, sorry, कौन सा? हाँ, 8. Question number 8. 8. इसमें हमको एक frequency table given है. You have to find the median of this frequency table. So weights are written. The weights are known as xi, and their frequencies are also given. What are the number of? क्या देवा number of boys? क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे boys? Then का weights लिखा हुआ है number of boys का fi. Marker is not working. हाँ जी, तो calculate the median for the following data. Find the median weight of the बस कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं. So these are the weights of some boys: 45, 46, 48, 50, 45, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 55, 52, 54, 55. These are weights of some number of boys. Now the frequencies. 45 kg weight is of how many boys? It is of 8 boys. 8 boys का weight है 45. 5 boys हैं जिनका weight है 46. 6. 9, 7, 4, 2. 9, 7, 4, 2. So these are the number of boys having respected weights. So 45 kg weight 8 boys का है, 46 kg 5 boys का weight है, 48 kg is weight of 6 boys, 50 kg weight is of 9 boys, 52 kg weight is of 7 boys, 54 kg weight is of 4 boys and 55 kg weight is of 2 boys. ये आपको डेटा दे दिया यहाँ पर. अब आपसे कह रहे हैं इसका मीडियन फाइंड करिए. मीडियन फाइंड करने के लिए whenever the data is given in the form of table, तो आपको मीडियन का तरीका थोड़ा सा चेंज करना होगा. यहाँ पर अब आप लिखेंगे CF. What is this? CF cumulative frequency. CF का मतलब होता है cumulative frequency. लिखो यहाँ पर cumulative. Is it visible? Cumulative frequency. Okay, this is the spelling.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what do you mean by cumulative facility? Oh, frequency.
अभी बता रहे हैं बेटा. To prepare a table like this, then I will tell you what to do.
Sir, make that I have done with the table.
Sir, prepared.
This is not FI XI. यहाँ पे मुझे इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट नहीं करना है. ओके. क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में क्या करते हैं? It will be made with the help of frequencies only. सिर्फ इसी की हेल्प से मैं यहाँ पर क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी ड्रॉ मतलब फाइंड करूंगा. सो फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी यहाँ पर क्या है? 8. आप 8 को एज इट इज यहाँ पर कॉपी कर देंगे हमेशा, ऑलवेज. ओके. देन
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
यस,
सर सिर्फ 8 को कॉपी करेंगे या जो फर्स्ट नंबर है उसको?
फर्स्ट नंबर, व्हाटएवर द फर्स्ट नंबर इज, वो आप यहाँ पर कॉपी कर देंगे एज इट इज.
ओके सर.
ओके. फर्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी जो भी होगी यू विल कॉपी इट इन द कॉलम ऑफ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, फर्स्ट वन. सो 8 प्लस 5. अब नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी जो होगी वो इसमें ऐड हो जाएगी. 8 प्लस 5 इज 13 और वो यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है 13.
13 plus 6.
13. First of all, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Then 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. ऐसे
19.
डायगोनली ऐड करते जाएंगे और यहाँ पे लिखते जाएंगे. डायगोनली ऐड करेंगे और यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. Are you getting my point or not?
यस सर.
27
Yes, sir.
is
Yes, sir.
35.
35.
35 plus
35.
4 is
39.
39 plus 2 is
41.
41.
41.
41. अब एक कमाल की बात यहाँ पर देखिए, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कैपिटल एन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? सम ऑफ ऑल द फ्रीक्वेंसीज. दैट इज आल्सो नोन एज सिग्मा एफआई भी बोलते हैं उसको. यू कैन कॉल इट एज सिग्मा एफआई और यू कैन आल्सो कॉल इट एज एन. सिग्मा एफआई और एन एक ही बात होती है. ओके. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ कैपिटल एन इन
Sir,
दिस?
can we add sigma fi only?
You can write sigma fi also, no problem with that, but it is better to write n. Easy भी है लिखना. And
Okay, sir.
now you notice one interesting thing, that the sum of all the frequencies will also be 41. कैसे कह दिया मैंने 41 है? Because यहाँ पर जो लास्ट वाली आपकी cumulative frequency जो लास्ट में आएगी वही यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 41. You can just check it. 13 plus 6 19 plus 9 28 plus 7 35 plus 4 39 plus 2 41. Okay. n is equal to 41 in this case. n याद है आपको? n क्या होता है? Number of observations. So in
Add
this
of
n is number of observations. हाँ वही sum of frequencies या फिर number of observations एक ही बात होती है. Now, in this case, n is equal to 41. मैं यहाँ पर कर रहा हूँ, मेरे पास जगह खत्म हो गई. That is why I am doing it here. In this case, n is equals to 41, so which is odd. n is odd. Okay. इस केस में n क्या है आपका? Odd है. Now, whenever n is odd, हम क्या करते हैं? Median क्या होता है? Median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. यही तो करते हैं odd वाले केस में. केस 1 लगाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
n by n plus 1 upon 2th observation. That is 41 plus 1
Plus 1 upon 2. 42 upon 2.
and 42 upon 2, which is equals to 21st observation. 21st observation कैसे पता चलेगा मुझे कौन सा है यहाँ पर? You will look at the table. ठीक है, टेबल को देखेंगे. 21 से जस्ट बड़ा नंबर यहाँ पर कौन सा है?
28.
28.
क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में देखेंगे, ध्यान से देखिए. This is the first
28.
time you are doing this type of question. तो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूज अब मैं बता रहा हूँ. अभी तक आपने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी को कुछ भी यूज नहीं कराया. कोई यूज करा था आपने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी का? अभी तक कोई यूज नहीं करा. सिर्फ आपने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी का
No,
ये
sir.
वो प्रिपेयर कर लिया है. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज इट. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू यूज इट? यू सी दिस 21st ऑब्जर्वेशन यहाँ पर बोला है, तो 21 से जस्ट बड़ा नंबर यहाँ पर फाइंड करेंगे. व्हाट इज द नंबर? 28.
28.
Now 28 में ये वाला जो कॉलम है, सॉरी ये वाली जो रो है, 28 जो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो कौन से ऑब्जर्वेशन की है? फाइंड द ऑब्जर्वेशन. इट इज 50. तो मीडियन इज 50.
Okay, sir.
50 is the median. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is a rule that in the cumulative what do you call it?
Cumulative frequency.
Frequency. Yes, sir. The number which is counted that its xi is equal to the median.
Yes. You first find the
Okay,
number
sir.
which is just greater than the number which you have just found here. ये जो नंबर फाइंड करा है इससे जस्ट बड़ा नंबर यहाँ पर ढूंढ लेंगे. कौन सा है? 28 है. उसके सामने वाला जो आपका नंबर है that is 50. Okay.
Okay, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आ जाए.
Sir, please wait for a minute.
Yes, yes, yes. लो, आज फिर टाइमर आ गया.
Sir, done.
Very good. आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir. Sir, now we will be doing the question number 9 or question number 10.
Question 9.
Yes.
Question number 9. Okay, start making the table from the book. Listening. Marks obtained and number of students. Marks, XI, number of students.
Ma'am, 10. 10.
FI.
10.
डबल क्लास चल रही है. वहाँ चल रही है, मन्नीना के घर पे चल रही है.
Yes, sir.
सिस्टर पढ़ रही है. कौन है? ब्रदर है, सिस्टर है?
Sister. A
सिस्टर,
naughty sister.
नॉटी सिस्टर. क्या नाम है?
Jasrina.
विच क्लास? अरे हंसता क्यों है ये लड़का?
Manjina
ऐसी बताती है.
नहीं सर, मुझे मंदीना का वो दूसरा निकनेम याद आ रहा था, वो उसकी नहीं रहा था.
अरे ऐसे मत हंसा करो यार सबके सामने.
And sir, what were you asking?
I was asking your sister is in which class?
Third.
Third. And who's her class teacher?
सर क्लास टीचर कौन है? पूजा मल्होत्रा मैम.
Okay. Who is your class teacher?
गौरव देव शर्मा सर.
करो सर, बहुत बढ़िया क्लास टीचर है.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have done.
Gaurav Sira is a great class teacher. He is a great teacher as well, obviously. 17, 5, 9, 4, 3,
5.
9, 4,
Sir, 3, 10, 6.
10, 6. Okay, बच्चे समझ ही चुके हैं. Okay. So let me prepare cumulative frequencies. 5, 14, 18, 21,
14,
31,
18, 21, 31.
Okay.
N is equals to 37.
5 plus 9, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 10, 31 plus 6, 37. So n is equals to 37, sorry. 37. Now again the same method.
N plus 1 upon 2.
Median, because n is odd. n is equals to 31, that is an odd number. So median is equal to
Excuse me, sir. Not 31. It is 37.
37. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
So
37 plus 1 upon 2 with observation. That means 19th observation. 19th observation. क्या है? What is the 19th?
15 is the median.
तो 19th observation. इसमें क्या देखना है आपको? 19 से just बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 21.
15 now. Answer is
21
15.
की आपका xi value क्या है? What is the observation in the 21 when the cumulative frequency is 21? The observation is 15. That means
15.
15 is the median. Okay. Median is equal to 15. Got it, all of you? Easy है ये भी?
Yes, sir.
The class will get over at 9:40. Okay, start doing the 10th one. Everyone, 10th वाला करिए. Eight plus 4, 12 plus 10, 22 plus 6, 28.
Sir, it's 9:40.
Okay. So in the 10th one, you will see that the number of frequencies are even. यहाँ पे जो sum आएगा आपका even आएगा. कितना आ रहा है मैं बता देता हूँ अभी. 22 plus 6, 28 plus 12, 40. हाँ 50 आ रहा है देखिए. The value of n is even in this case. Okay, it will be 50. बच्चे अपने आप निकल जाते हैं मीटिंग से. क्लास ओवर नहीं हुआ, बच्चे पहले गायब हो जाते हैं.
सर, आप कभी लंदन गए हो?
तो मेरा नाम टंडन है तो मैं लंदन जाऊंगा क्या? है बेटा? हैं? क्या इसीलिए पूछा तुमने? हाँ जी, क्या हुआ?